Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup today to create this makeup look, this easy, quick, simple, affordable makeup look, glowing skin, look your best, easy to follow along, and it is all using e.l.f. products. So if you guys would like to see how I created this simple, glowing, gorgeous makeup look, then just keep watching. It's been a bit since I've done a full face of anything, so I'm gonna do full face of e.l.f. today. I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. Halo Glow. I have this in the shade for medium. I've been using this a lot lately. I've just been loving the glow and the hydration it is giving my skin, especially as we're in the winter months. I'm just gonna pop that all over and then blend it out with my BK 101 foundation brush, and you just get this beautiful luminosity. This up a couple weeks ago. It's the Putty Color Corrector Eye Brightener from e.l.f. I have this in the shade light medium. I love it. It's so hydrating. It's light coverage. I'll use it like under concealer or just on its own. It's a great base. I like that it has the medium has like the light medium has a nice kind of peachy undertone to it. I think that looks really good with the blues and the violets in the shadows around and under the eyes, but it covers so nicely. It's hydrating and it just gives you that added brightness and hydration under the eye. With the Putty bronzer from e.l.f. This is in the shade Tan Lines. Now this is a very natural looking bronzer and is great for contour. It's not overly pigmented and you can just keep building it. It doesn't look it's not too emollient, so it just stays in place. Some people find that it's not pigmented enough, but I think this is perfect for just when you want a slight bit of contour, like not a heavy contour. It just looks really natural on the skin. So I like to go in with this first just to add a soft contour, and then I'll do my bronzer over top. I'm going to take the Halo Beauty Wand contour in the shade light medium, and I'm going to pop that more on top of my cheeks and just kind of around the same areas that I did that contour. This is going to be a little bit more glowy. The Putty bronzer is a little bit more matte. My eyes, I'm going to go in with this little quad from e.l.f. This is in the shade Truffles. This is a perfect little neutral palette. You got a nice kind of neutral tone. You got a brown and a black and a shimmer foil color. So I'm going to go in with the medium tone here, and I'm going to do a similar look that I did in my last video. This is a super simple eyeshadow tutorial for deep set eyes. So the medium color, the neutral color, just goes all over the lid. Really focus some of that depth right under the beginning part of the brow. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye. With the foiled color, I'm just going to use my finger for this, and I'm going to pop some of that in the center of the lid. Then I'm going to go in the inner corner, and then right in the center of, right underneath the brow, but in the center of the brow. And then you can take your brush in and just kind of blend that through. I'm going to go in with the Putty blush. This is in the shade Bahama, and I'm just going to take this Complex Duo brush from e.l.f. and go in, and I'm going to pop that right on the tops of the apple of my cheeks. So right underneath my eye, just right here. It's going to give a nice rounding effect to the cheeks. Get a little bit more of a blush tone and glow underneath the eye. So now I'm going in with the shade Rose You Slay from the Halo Wand collection, and I'm just gonna pop that right over top of where I put Bahamas. and just pat that with my finger. And it's kind of a mix of the rosé and the orange from the Bahama. With the highlight wand in the shade Champagne, and I'm going to focus the highlight on the tops of my cheekbones on the outer corner. So getting the lift there. Put all of the pigment kind of in the center of the cheek, and then the highlight to give you that lift. And then I love putting a little bit on the bridge of my nose and just right on the tip. I lined my lips with the Tiana Major 9. This is like a brown liner. Now I'm going in with Pinkies Up from e.l.f. This cute little lip color. It's a really cute kind of pinky neutral. It looks so good with this golden, bronzy, glowy look. The only thing I didn't use was the e.l.f. mascara, but I just popped some of that on. This is the final look. Simple, affordable makeup, gorgeous, glowing skin, quick and easy. I will link all the products that I used to create this makeup look for you guys if you want to shop them for yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you're having a great holiday season, and I will see you guys again soon.